First impressions are everything. And let me tell you, the 2024 V-Class makes a statement. It's still a big van, no getting around that, but Mercedes has done a good job of making it look sleek and stylish. The front end is all new. There's a massive grille with a big Mercedes badge smack dab in the middle. You can't miss it. The headlights are new too. They're slimmer and more angular than before. They give the V-Class a more modern look. Around the back, there's a new bumper and some redesigned taillights. It's all very smart. And if you want to stand out even more, you can get the V-Class in some snazzy new colors. Vintage blue and sodalite blue are my favorites. Right, let's talk engines. The heart of any vehicle, the engine, is where the magic happens. The 2024 V-Class gets a range of diesel and petrol engines, catering to different driving preferences and needs. The diesels are your bread and butter, known for their reliability and efficiency. They're available in various states of tune, ensuring there's a perfect match for every driver. You've got your V220D, your V250D, and the top-of-the-range V300D, each offering a unique blend of power and performance. These are all solid engines, built to last and perform under various conditions. They're not going to set your hair on fire, but they've got plenty of torque for hauling your family and luggage around, making long trips comfortable and stress-free. Now, for the first time, the V-Class is available with a petrol engine, adding a new dimension to its versatility. And it's not just any petrol engine, mind you. It's a mild hybrid, combining the best of both worlds. It's got a small electric motor that helps the petrol engine out, providing an extra boost when needed. This improves fuel economy and reduces emissions, making it an eco-friendly choice without compromising on performance. The petrol engine is only available in one flavor, the V250, but it's a well-rounded option that delivers smooth and responsive driving. But trust me, it's all you need. Whether you're cruising through the city or embarking on a long journey, the V250 has got you covered. Step inside the 2024 V-Class, and you'll be greeted by a cabin that's more akin to a luxury limousine than a van. The materials are top-notch, the seats are comfortable, and there's a sense of space and airiness that's hard to beat. Mercedes has really upped its game with the interior of the new V-Class. It's a lovely place to be. The dashboard is dominated by a large touchscreen infotainment system. It's the latest version of Mercedes' MBUX system, and it's brilliant. The graphics are sharp, the system is responsive, and it's packed with features. You can control everything from the navigation to the climate control to the ambient lighting. The digital cockpit, infotainment and connectivity in the 2024 V-Class. The 2024 V-Class is designed to keep you connected and entertained on the go, making every journey a pleasure. Speaking of the infotainment system, it's worth mentioning that the 2024 V-Class comes standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. These features ensure seamless integration with your smartphone, allowing you to access your favorite apps, music, and contacts effortlessly. So you can connect your smartphone and use all your favorite apps on the go. Whether it's streaming music, sending messages, or navigating to your next destination, the V-Class has got you covered. No more fiddling around with clunky built-in navigation systems. The intuitive interface makes it easy to find what you need without any hassle. You can use Google Maps or Waze to find your way around. These apps provide real-time traffic updates, alternative routes, and estimated arrival times, ensuring you reach your destination efficiently. And if you're a music lover, you'll be pleased to know that the V-Class can be optioned with a Burmester sound system. This premium audio setup delivers an immersive listening experience, making every drive more enjoyable. This is one of the best sound systems you'll find in any car, let alone a van. It's got speakers everywhere, strategically placed to provide the best sound quality. You get crystal clear highs, rich mids, and deep thumping bass. The sound quality is so good it feels like you're at a live concert. It's enough to make you want to sit in traffic. With such an advanced infotainment and connectivity system, the 2024 V-Class ensures that every journey is as enjoyable as the destination. Space and versatility, seating and cargo in the 2024 V-Class. Of course, no review of the V-Class would be complete without talking about its practicality, and let me tell you, this van is practical with a capital P. You can have it with up to 8 seats, that's right, 8. And even with all the seats in place, there's still a decent amount of boot space. Fold the seats down, and you've got a cavernous space that's perfect for hauling anything from furniture to mountain bikes. The seats themselves are worth mentioning. They're incredibly comfortable, even on long journeys, and they're heated and ventilated so you can stay comfortable whatever the weather. There's even a massage function on the front seats, perfect for those long drives. Section 7, weighing the options, pros and cons of the 2024 Mercedes V-Class. Now let's be real for a moment. When it comes to luxury vehicles, expectations are always sky high. The 2024 V-Class isn't perfect. It has its share of shortcomings. There are a few things that might put you off. First, it's expensive. The price tag can be quite daunting. You're looking at a hefty chunk of change for a top-of-the-range model, and that's just the base price. And that's before you start adding any options. Customizing it to your liking can quickly add up. Second, the diesel engines, while powerful and efficient, can be a bit clattery under load. This might be a deal breaker for some. Finally, the ride can be a bit firm, especially on rough roads. The suspension, while generally good, struggles on uneven terrain. But for all its flaws, the V-Class is still a brilliant vehicle. It excels in many areas that matter. It's comfortable, it's luxurious, it's practical, and it's got that all-important Mercedes badge. The interior is a haven of comfort and style. If you're looking for a luxury MPV that can do it all, the V-Class should be at the top of your list. It offers a blend of performance, luxury, and practicality that's hard to beat. The last word is the 2024 V-Class right for you, so there you have it, the 2024 Mercedes-Benz V-Class. It's a van, yes, but it's so much more than that. It's a statement, it's a rolling testament to your discerning taste and penchant for the finer things in life. But is it right for you? Well, if you've got a big family and an even bigger bank balance, then the answer is a resounding yes. But even if you don't tick those boxes, the V-Class is still worth considering. It's a versatile vehicle that can be used for a variety of purposes. From family road trips to airport runs to business meetings, the V-Class can do it all. And it'll do it all in style and comfort. A legacy of luxury, refined, the 2024 V-Class secures its place. In conclusion, the 2024 Mercedes-Benz V-Class is a triumph of modern automotive engineering. It seamlessly blends luxury, practicality, and performance into one sophisticated package. While it may not be the cheapest MPV on the market, it's certainly one of the best. And that, my friends, is all that matters. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got a date with a winding country road and a Burmester sound system.